Hello beautiful viewers. Hope you are doing good. First to like my videos and subscribe my YouTube channel. In this video I'll provide a different lace pant ideas. Lace pants, a unique blend of elegance and contemporary style, have become a fashion statement in recent years. These delicate intricate garments are crafted from a lace fabric known for its femininity and charm. Lace pants bring a fresh, sophisticated touch to modern wardrobes, offering versatile options for various occasions. Lace has long history in the world of fashion, dating back to the 16th century when it was a symbol of luxury and status in Europe. Traditionally used in garments like dresses, veils, and trims, lace was a hand woven and highly valued for its delicate open-work patterns. It became synonymous with elegance, often worn by royalty and the elite. In the contemporary fashion, lace has been reimagined and incorporated into more casual everyday wear, including lace pants. The intricate patterns and textures of lace giving these pants a unique edge, making them a standout piece in any wardrobe. Lace pants come in a variety of designs, ranging from a casual formal offering to be very honest, in the flowing loose fit make them a dresser occasion paired with a simple blouse or crop top, white leg lace pants create a chic bohemian look from more fitted and sleek style. Lace legging provided a figure-hugging silhouette. These are layered underskirts and tunics offer a blend of textures and dimension to the outfit. Cropped lace pants are perfect for a playful summery look. Their shorter length combined with the airy lace fabric make them a great choice for warm weather or a beach outings. Sheer lace pants often worn as an overlay with shorts or lining underneath as a bold fashion statement. These pants are popular in the resort wear and evening attire, offering a daring yet elegant option for those who making an impact. Lace pants can be styled in numerous ways depending on the occasion and personal preference. For casual occasion, pair lace pants with some simple t-shirt or a casual blouse, a denim jacket or a light cardigan adds a relaxed vibe to the outfit. Choose neutral or pastel color lace pants for a subtle chic appearance to elevate the look. Lace pants can be paired with a silk blouse or a tailored blazers. Heeled sandals or stilettos add sophistication, while statement jewelry completes to be assembled. Black or white lace pants are timeless option for more formal occasion. Sheer lace pants or a vibrant colors like red or embellished green making a daring fashion statement. Pair them with minimal accessories and that depends for the focal point of the outfit. Lace pants are stand out to their versatility and the unique texture they bring to an outfit. They offer an elegant alternative to more traditional fabrics like cotton, denim, allowing